Hi guys, what's kickin'? Welcome back to my channel. I like to sing, so today I'm gonna show you how I turned my... Why do I still have this in? Today I'm gonna show you how I turned my cute little coat closet into a recording booth. Let's go! I found this perfect little shelf that fits in the side of my closet just perfectly, and it's gonna hold my laptop. The first time I got foam panels without adhesive on the back, I got some heavy duty double-sided sticky tape and used that, but the panels kept falling off of my walls. So then I went back and got panels that had adhesive, and then you have to peel it off and then stick it to the wall, and that actually worked much better. I got some black acrylic paint and painted the wood to match the panels. Here I'm applying the second set of panels that I bought with the adhesive, and these work much better. I also got this little tiny acrylic shelf, and this is what's going to hold my audio interface and my headphones and my mouse or whatever cables that I need in there. I tried two different lights in here. The first time I got a motion sensor light, but that one kept leaving me in the dark. So I went back and got an LED one that I could actually charge, and it had an on and off switch on it, and that ended up working much better. I got a flexible gooseneck and a crab clamp off of Amazon so I could attach my microphone to the closet bar. And that's it, you guys. I put in my little stool and I'm ready to rock out. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs.